Hi there, welcome to this YouTube channel. If you are new to the YouTube channel, the first thing you want to do is hit the like button and subscribe. Turn on the notification by hitting the notification bell, because all we do here is talk about every verified ways to make money online. We test and verify them before telling you. Now in this video, already I've told you about our training session where I'm teaching people for free how to make money online watching videos, and also how to be a good YouTuber if you have a YouTube channel, or how to be a good affiliate marketer. You're going to earn us $2 per people who signs up using your link to a particular service. Okay, so this is a great start. You don't need to buy any product. All they have to do is sign up. So if you want to learn this, just follow the link in the description. If you're watching this from YouTube or any other media platform, follow the link on the description of this channel. While if you're on our website, just follow the button on this page to get started. Now if you're already in the training, then you might be here due to the kind of appreciation we ask from you to show us. Now we have organized this training to help many people too. So I'll be the one to be taking you in the class, and other mentors too. So how this works is that we normally charge $100 for this training. Okay, we charge people $100 because you are going to make $1,000 every week and at least $100 every day from this. This is not an investment scheme. This is a verified way of making money as a YouTuber. If you want to start a YouTube channel, each of the things I'm calling out, or each of these processes are optional. You can be a YouTuber, then you can also be an affiliate marketer, or you can simply make money watching videos. So these are step-by-step ways of making money that will explain to you, and also as a bonus, how to run successful ads on Google, Facebook, and generate traffic to your affiliate links. So we'll make money from them. So we'll teach you that. Okay, so what you want to do right now, the first thing you want to do to show support for this training is, first of all, as listed on this page, the first thing you want to do is to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Why you want to do that is because the training on all the videos related to the training will be dropping on the YouTube channel, and you want to be the first person to be notified. Okay, so follow the link. If you're watching from this website, follow the link, go to our YouTube channel. The link is just click on the get started button on our website, capitalbullmarket.com, and then you go to the page where the YouTube channel, and then you sign up, like by subscribing and turning on the notification. Like the video also to help in our algorithm ranking on YouTube, so that video will be well suggested to others who you want to take advantage of this opportunity. So leave a like, subscribe, and turn the notification, and also leave a comment of what you think about this training. That being said, you can pause this video now and do that for us. If you're watching from YouTube, do that, and you will find a link to how to join the training in the description of this video. Okay, or you just DM me on WhatsApp using the WhatsApp phone number that is shown on the screen. Okay, so these are the two ways that you can join this training free and learn everything you need to know about how to make money watching videos, how to make money being an affiliate marketer, and also how to make money as a YouTuber or a TikToker. Both being said, now the next thing you want to do is like our Facebook page. If we drop content on our YouTube channel, also we also drop content on our Facebook page. So if you by any chance missed the YouTube channel update, you don't want to miss the one dropping on our Facebook page, that's why you need to like our Facebook page. You like the page. When you like that page, from there you'll be seeing the latest post, the latest content on how to make money online. Okay, it will get to you and you don't want to miss it. So like our Facebook page, follow the link on our website right now to go and like our Facebook page, or the link in the description of this video. Okay, pause the video and get that done, and we'll really appreciate that. It will also help you. Okay, the next thing you want to do right now is, on our Facebook page you see a post. Okay, a post on the Facebook page, just a video post on the Facebook. You just like that post, leave a comment about what you think about this training. If you have been earning from the training, again, leave a comment to convince others on why to join. Okay, there are many who have been earning already. So also share the post to at least 5 groups. You know, we run promotion and ads to make sure that we create sensitization, publicity for this training. But your little shares to 5 group will help reduce that burning on us, and also help others, help your friends, help your loved one know about this opportunity. Okay, so what you want to do is help us share to 5 groups or your timeline, 5 different places. Okay, so just share and tag some of your friends so that they will know about this opportunity. That's what you want to do for us. Like the post, please. We really love your like and your comment. Your comment will help others know how this training is going to work and what you think about this training and how far you have earned from this mentorship. Okay, because we also have free mentorship for you for life. So just leave a like and share to 5 groups. That being said, lastly, what you want to do right now is join our Facebook group. You know, when you have liked our Facebook page and you have subscribed to our YouTube channel, the last thing you want to do is join our Facebook group. Why you want to do that is because our Facebook group brings those contents that are unique to you. Okay, Facebook group makes the conversation open to everyone. Okay, Facebook page will only be the one to post, while in our Facebook group you have answers to questions, just like in our Telegram and WhatsApp group too. So you also want to hear from others on our Facebook group. These are the major things you do for us. For our other media channels, if you are already in the training, we'll be dropping the links to follow us, join our Telegram group, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Telegram and Twitter. So we'll be dropping the links there. But for now, join our Facebook group. Okay, that's the last thing you want to do. And if you're looking for a way to join this training, I've told you earlier, phone number is on the screen. Just DM me on WhatsApp to join this training. I'm also going to leave it in the comment section. Okay, so join this training and you're not going to regret it. We'll teach you the step-by-step guide on how to make money online. Okay, as an affiliate marketer, as a YouTuber for starters, or those who have already gone far on YouTube but they don't know how to monetize it or how to make money online watching videos. As plain as that. So just join this free training and see the transforming experience of all what I've listed below. I'm expecting to see you in class. I really want to take you on the training. Once again, you're welcome. Like, share, subscribe, tell your friends, come and take advantage of this opportunity. You're welcome.